Hello, good afternoon to all. Myself Amita Saraswat, lecturer in chemistry, MLB Government College, Bhilwara. Today, my lecture is on first BSc first year class. It is for periodic properties of elements. This is the basic modern periodic table. As we saw, it have 18 rows and 7 columns. It starts from hydrogen, and last atom we can say it is Rg, which electron atom is 111. It consists of S block elements, or we can say it represents symbol, atomic number, atomic weight and number. Okay, this is the modern periodic table. We have group number 1 to 18 and period number 1 to 7. It consists of S block, P block, D block, lanthanides and actinides. Periodic table, it is the table of chemical elements arranged in order of atomic number, such as that elements with similar atomic structure appear in vertical columns. Modern periodic law. The modern periodic law states the chemical and physical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number, not molecular weight. This is the modern periodic law. Modern periodic table is based on modern periodic law. Classification of elements. Group 1 on extreme left position contain alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. The alkaline earth metals are metallic elements found in group 2 of the periodic table like beryllium and its row. Element present in group 3 to 12, the middle of the periodic tables are called transition elements. In the transition elements, valence electrons are present in more than one shell. With a few minor exceptions, the electronic structure of transition metal atoms can be written as N, S2, N-1, D, 1 to 10. Group 18 or extreme right side position contains noble gases. These are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. The outermost shell contains 8 electrons except helium, as its outermost shell is K shell and it can hold only a maximum of 2 electrons. Inner transition elements. 14 elements with atomic number 58 to 71 or cerium to lutetium are called lanthanides, and they are placed along with the elements lanthanides atomic number 57 in the same position. Group 3 in period 6 because of very close resemblance between them. However, for convenience sake, they are shown separate below the main periodic table. 14 elements with atomic number 19 to 103, thorium to lawrencium are called actinides, and they are placed along with the element actinium atomic number 89 in the same position. Group 3 period 7. Because of very close resemblance between them, they are also shown separately below the main periodic table along with lanthanides. Periodicity. Periodicity of elements mean the recurrence of similar properties of the elements after certain regular intervals when they are arranged in the order of increased atomic numbers. And the cause of periodicity of elements is, the cause of periodicity of the properties of elements is the repetition of similar electronic configuration of their atoms in the outermost energy shell after certain regular intervals. These are periodic trends in periodic properties: ionization energy, electron affinity, atomic radii, electron negativity and metallic or non-metallic character. Periodic properties. It depends on periodic law. Elements arranged at atomic number give physical and chemical properties varying periodicity. We will study following. These are atomic radii, metallic and non-metallic character, ionization energy, electron affinity, electron negativity. Atomic radii. Atomic radii actually decreases across a row in the periodic table due to an increase in the effective nuclear charge. Within each group, the atomic radii tend to increase with the periodic number. It increases from left to it decreases left to right and increases in top to bottom. Metallic and non-metallic character. Metallic characteristic decrease from left to right across a period. This is caused by the decrease in radius of the atom that allows the outer electron to ionize more readily. Metallic character increase down in a group. Electron shielding causes the atomic radii to increase. Thus, the outer shielding causes the atomic radii to increase. Thus, the outer electrons ionize more readily than electron in smaller atoms. Metallic character relates to the ability to lose electron, and non-metallic character relates to the ability of gain electrons. Ionization energy. This is the energy required to remove an electron from a neutral atom in its gaseous phase. Conceptually, ionization energy is the opposite to electron negativity. The lower the energy, the more readily the electron becomes a cation. Therefore, higher the energy, the more unlikely it is the atom become a cation. Generally, elements on the right side of the periodic table have a higher ionization energy because their valence shell is nearly filled. Elements on the left side of the periodic table have low ionization energy because of their willingness to lose electrons and become cations. Hence, ionization energy increase from left to right to the periodic table. The ionization energy of the elements within a period generally increases from left to right. This is due to valence shell stability. The ionization energy of the elements within a group generally decreases from top to bottom. This is due to electron shielding. The noble gas possesses very high ionization energy because of their full valence shell as indicates in the graph. The helium has the highest ionization energy of all elements. Electron affinity. Electron affinity is the ability of an atom to accept an electron. It is the quantitative measurement of the energy change that occurs when electron is added to a neutral gas atom. The more negative the electron affinity value, the higher an atom's affinity for electrons. Electron negativity. It can be understood as a chemical property describing an atom's ability to attract and bind with the electrons. Electron negativity is a qualitative property. There is no standard method for calculating electron negativity. Electron negativity values for each element can be found on certain periodic table. Thank you.